you before life. Once you free your sight. Once you before life. Once you free your sight. Once you before life. When I dream in white of bells and birdcage, boat dock, sun, and the cargo spice of what's to come, like the images come one after one. But this time it was night, the moon it lilted bright ways sharp, and the words to sleeping drifters dance as though to fall from page alive. When the light fell down was a wild bird, like the night said it could be learned. With the journey you took a chance to forget when you start the dance. The hairs on the neck of time stand straight with me, speaking their names. And the pride that can make us blind, does it simply fear being shamed? Or the branch, is it known by seas, how it comes to be? And do the blooms know their righteous power, the beauty of being seen? Or the pride that can make us blind, does it simply fear being shamed? And the tide in its ever pulling would not but by breathing be tamed. Or the thought, is it known by speech, how it comes to be? And do the colored blooms know the righteous power, the beauty of being seen? The beauty of being seen. The beauty of being seen.